The floor is now open for question and answers. Go ahead.
And respect the fact that she's our guest at our event. So please, you know the rest. Thank you very much.
कटरीना, जिस तरीके से आपने कहा कि फिल्म फेयर के कवर पेज पे आपका लॉन्चिंग के लेकर आप काफ़ी खुश हैं, साथ ही आपको आज डायमंड रिंग भी प्रेजेंट की गई है, तो आप बताना चाहेंगे ये किस खुशी में मिली है?
To ask the lovely people from the International Diamond Laboratories why they gave me the ring, but you know, you can never give a girl too many diamonds, and I'm happy. I think it's nice. Thank you.
कटरीना, अभी हाल ही में आपको सेक्सिएस्ट वुमेन का खिताब दिया गया और अब ये सेक्सिएस्ट वुमेन फिल्म फेयर के कवर पेज पर आ रही है, तो कितनी एक्साइटेड है आप इस बात को लेकर?
It's something. It's just a sweet thing. I think it was when I heard about the poll, it was something which it's just something to take as something sweet. It's not something serious, but I've known the people from Filmfare for a long time, especially Anuradha, and she's always been kind of there for me and around. So I've enjoyed the shoot, and I think we had a great shoot. So I'm happy. I think it's turned out well.
कटरीना, आप अभी आज देखा जाए 8 बजे का यहाँ का इवेंट था, उसके बाद आप 2.5 घंटे लेट यहाँ पे पहुँची हैं, तो लेट आने का रीज़न जानना चाहेंगे, क्या वजह रही आपके लेट?
Well, unfortunately, that's why first thing I did was apologize. I'm usually not late. I felt very bad for all of you. I'm shooting for Subhash Ghai's film called Yuvraj, and it was the last day on our set today. And we were trying as fast as we could, but you know how Subhash Ghai is. He takes his time, and he's making a beautiful film, and I really couldn't help it. I'm so sorry, but we had some shots to finish, and they're dismantling the set tonight. That's why I was late. Sorry. They're both very different. I think they both appeal to very different audiences. As Jitesh said, Filmfare is, I think it's read probably more widely, but maybe also by a different kind of group of people. So I think it's nice. I think it's nice to vary the kind of magazine covers that you do, the kind of appeal that different magazines have. I think it's good. You can reach out to a much wider audience. And every magazine has its own individual appeal. And you try and work within that magazine's, within their appeal to the kind of picture that you do, you know, so that the picture and the magazine cover, it both suits it together.
कटरीना, आप ये जानना चाहेंगे कि इन तीनों में से आप क्या फेवरेट कौन है? युवराज, हरभजन एंड सलमान.
Well, Yuvraj is a batsman, Harbhajan is a bowler, and Salman is an actor. So I don't see what is the similarity why I have to choose between any of them.
As a person, कटरीना, as a person अगर आपको चूज करना हो तो आप इन तीनों में से किसको सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा मानती है?
I have never met 2 out of 3 of them, so I'm gonna have to get back to you maybe next year. Maybe next IPL I'll meet them and I'll be able to give you a rundown on their personalities.
Okay, thank you.
Honestly, very honestly, I'm not a very avid reader, but I like looking at the pictures in the magazines. Sorry, but it's true. That's why for me the quality and the style element of a magazine is really important. I mean, obviously, yes, the magazine content is number one, but I think Filmfare has, not to say that it wasn't okay before, but I think they have improved like by leaps and bounds. They're like at par with an Elle or at a, you know, at a Vogue, which is a fashion magazine. So I think that for me was also a really positive step that I think Filmfare took. I call up Anuradha, who usually has written it, and I yell at her for 10 minutes. And I say, if you do that again, and then, yeah, forget about it. 2 weeks later. Yeah, but largely I think, yeah, I don't think this particular magazine has ever been too, there are some magazines that I think sometimes cross that line maybe of too much speculation. But I think film fair is generally pretty decent, and the most important thing is that when you give an interview, you are quoted exactly. You're not quoted out of context, so that's important. You have to trust the person.
कटरीना, आप 10 कदम को एंजॉय कर रही है? आपने देखा ये शो?
Yes, I saw it. I think it's a wonderful show. I think it's got a great general mass appeal, and I think it's lovely. I've seen one episode of it.
And what about Salman's small screen debut?
You know, I'm going to take some money. I've decided. I'm going to go to Salman and to Akshay and say, I want some money from both of you because I feel like I'm their spokesperson. I've not seen Akshay's show. I think Das Kadam is a brilliant show, and I hope it does very, very well. I think it is doing very well, and it's a lot of fun. Well, my next release will be, I think it's on August 7th or 8th. I'm not entirely sure of the date, but that will be Sing is King, which is produced by Vipul Shah, directed by Anis Bazmi. And that's a wonderful film, and I think the promos are going to start in the next few days. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'm very excited to see everyone's response for the promos. And we've done a lot of hard work. And as I said, I've just come from Yuvraj shooting for Subhashikai's film. That film is on completion, so that is going to be coming soon, hopefully soon.
Okay, Aaron, look here.
Let's see. First I have to see the film in totality, and I have to see the outcome of the film, and then I have to see how he's like on the promotion. Then I'll see if he deserves another painting or not.
In the press release, Katrina, it says that you've spoken on Salman as well in the interview that is in the film fair. If you can give us a little peek into what really are the aspects that you've spoken about Salman in this interview that we haven't heard of before.
Nothing like that at all. You have to read the interview to see.
Yeah, but a little sneak peek. A little sneak peek so the viewers will definitely pick up the book and read it. I mean, the readers.
Honestly, I wouldn't want to mislead anyone. It's nothing like that at all. As I said, I think the main thing which I have spoken about in terms of what you're speaking of is about being misquoted, I think, and that people try not to sensationalize stories that they hear, they pick up on, and they print without knowing really whether it's fact or fiction. I think that's pretty much it. I don't have any. I'll have to ask Hollywood if they have any plans for me. I don't have any plans for Hollywood.
Last question, guys.
I think they're doing fine.
I'm sure you'll read it in Filmfare when she has an Hollywood offer to talk about.
I'll see you in about 4 or 5 days.
If you
you
know
all
one
so much.
question that you've always hated to be asked would be what?
That question. What's the one question you always hate to be asked? So then you have to sit and take a pause for 5 minutes. I don't know. I don't mind.
Very well put, I must say. Okay, also I would like to call on stage Mr. Bhagwanji Bhai of Kamdenu Group. May I please invite him to come on stage.
Can we have one more question? Katrina?
What is it?
First of all, congratulations for you two winning your award. Katrina, what keeps you going on and how do you handle all this success?
I think every success that you get in life, every little bit of success. Sorry? Sorry, I ignored the poor gentleman. I think God gives it to you, so I think you can only ever be grateful to Him for it, and yeah, that's it really. I think
And what
God's
keeps you
given me
going
everything
on?
I have. Yeah, that's a good question. My family, my staff, my manager, Sandhya, who gets the brunt of everything, who's standing over there. It's hard sometimes, but you just have to keep going. I think everyone's life has hard work sometimes.
Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you, and sorry again for all the wait. Good night.
Thank you so much, Katrina. Let's give her a big round of
You're a big star. How do you feel?
Okay, sir, please. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, chal. Please.
Bye. Bye. Bye.